WACP, the place to be, for we are creative people. And some place to be at the Coconut Hut, and we're talking with
Andrea Rogers.
Okay, and I understand that you're doing a workshop today.
We are. We're gonna do learn the basics for making tile mosaics or glass mosaics, and then eventually, hopefully, these folks will go out into town and maybe fill some potholes on the sidewalks with
Okay,
them.
so the town, you're talking about cars, all right?
I'm talking about cars.
All right then. So what are the tools that you're gonna need to get everything done on this workshop?
We have.
Is it three-dimensional or is it two-dimensional?
We've got your glass cutters for the glass, and then we've got nippers for more like for ceramic and porcelains is usually what we use that for. And hammers. You got to smash the tile, get it to workable pieces. And then,
It's my entrance, so
we'll come up with. Everybody will come up with their own designs, and we're going to do it in the little pie tins.
A little pie pan like this right there.
Just like that.
Okay then. And what are this? What is?
These are just to show that you can use so many different materials. These are glass pebbles. These are bits from stained glass that I've done before, so it's just we can use those to. I've got some tiles here too.
Okay.
So it's pretty much you can use just about anything.
So how long you been doing this?
Oh gosh, I'm not a professional. I've done a lot of stained glass. I've done a lot of tiles. I've installed a gazillion square feet of tiles.
Okay.
And so it's all pretty much the same principles.
All right then. Well, stay tuned. We'll see how it works. Very interesting.
That's my one.
And the workshop is called?
Oh, it's a flacking workshop. That's a new word for me.
Okay.
Flacking is, or sidewalk surgeons is also another way they.
Wow.
They just fill the cracks in the sidewalks with pretty tiles. And
All right then. Okay, we'll stay tuned. Okay, we'll see.
Definitely want to thank Hassan for offering up a free space. Thank you so much, Andrea, for offering up a free workshop with your knowledge. So appreciated, man, because it's so hard to get people to just give of themselves. All of the materials here have been donated. Even though we are no longer housed in the House of Culture, we still have the same donators, the same sponsors, Belize Bank, Atlantic Bank, Via Imports, Lanos. I think that's the four.
What does this stand for?
Corazel Street Art Movement.
Street art.
And there is a Facebook page out there, Corazel Street Art Movement. So that's where all these pictures
not be a bomb, but I want to go through the whole entire process from fixing or arranging the tiles to actually setting them to grouting them. Normally, you'll wait 24 hours before you're going to grout, of course, or 48 hours even. But I'm going to try. Do you see any problem with that?
No.
No? Do you think we can do that all the way from start to finish with no problem?
Think it through.
First off,
There they are.
totally use eyewear. Put something on your eyes because glass shards in the eye is no joke. And if you get something in there, don't rub your eyes. See if we can rinse it out. Not like that. And then you can break it. Break it. These things sometimes you can use.
Right in the middle of this
Well, and then your See, I've used glass. That's what I use. There you go. Just eat away at it. Oh, there it goes. It did work. So you can score it with this.
Coming real nice. Yeah. Cold again. I can make it colder. Let's see what you got here. Oh, man.
Figure, okay, so it's going to be about that tall. So if you go across here and then start.
Yeah, but it's, I want it to fit in.
Oh, you
like
want
here.
two. Okay, so then you're going to
Flip it there.
right there, score it and break it. And then you'll use your nipper to smooth out your edge.
Oh, yeah.
Then I add some water, not a lot. Mix it. You want it the consistency of like frosting.
Okay.
Or,
And it sets really fast.
I mean, if you make
well, it's not super fast.
Oh, okay.
I just wanted, if you have everything cut, you'll
Right.
have plenty of time. But if you're still working on your design, you don't want it to, now there's
So-
also the, exactly, the,
Hair will dry it out.
and the grout will also help hold things together too, but you don't want to depend on.
I can't stand it when they keep moving.
Oh, that's awesome. So what's that on the bottom? How did you stick it?
The paper, my design was on here,
Uh-huh.
and then I'm just going to flip it on the ceramic.
Oh, you glued it.
I glued it
Uh-huh.
with flour and water glue,
Okay.
and I'm just going to flip it on this cement, and then I take off the paper.
Okay. All right.
I got bit by one of those the other day.
Oh, step on your...
Yeah, it'll be guacamole then.
It'd be guacamole.
And then add some more of your
let me ask you. It's like she has it laid out,
Uh-huh.
and now she has to do it again. Is it a way to keep it like
Yeah,
that?
glue them down.
Glue it
Yeah,
down.
you can do like what she
See,
she
it's not
did,
keeping its shape.
but I guess I'm just not. Can you move anymore?
Oh, you found your tray.
Yeah, it blew across almost ended up in the
Vete que no se dio cuenta. No, ella me lo prestó, pero le dije, yo creo que lo voy a probar.
While we're all doing this, I want to also, just because we want to.
If you don't use that.
Yeah, you can just mutilate this. I mean,
Right.
this was my last night's dinner right here. I just washed it and.
Okay.
Okay, now I need a.
I have to put them in my phone and look them up later.
Oh, that's like different. It's kind of like a
With the rubber and it cleans out the tag and you just dust
Right.
it off and it's out.
They
easier.
call it a float. You can get them at the
Yeah.
store, but you can.
We could use the sponges though.
Yeah,
Well,
I've
the
used sponges
sponges is
before,
usually
too.
what I do
When it's all dry.
once I get it
Okay,
in.
so-
But see, my tiles are not sticking.
So what if everybody just takes home a little bit of the grout?
Right.
Just saying.
Yeah,
You're
I'm
showing
just
us how
trying to
do it.
show.
Yeah, you're showing us how, but I know we're gonna mess up.
But see, once it's dry, you're not fighting these things to stay.
Well, maybe.
And see, if you had a good float. Oh, this is messing up
But
that.
especially like when you're using tiles, what you can do is just dip it in water. When it stops bubbles, it grabs much better on the tile.
That's true.
What, you mean the tile?
Yes,
You
the
wet
tile.
the tile?
Yes, you hold the
And then
tile and you
stick it.
hold it in the water and you
Right.
see it stop bubbles. There's enough water and you can stick it.
Because it's sucking up the moisture from the grout.
Sponges that don't have these big holes in it.
Okay.
Well, what Liz has here is what I use.
Right.
Yes, like this thing.
Oh, okay.
That's better.
Yeah.
But this is all I could find on a Sunday in
This is like
Corozal.
from my construction.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, they were going to give me this piece this big. I said I don't need one that
I
big.
know, that's what this is cut from a big piece.
And then you're just
Once
going to
it's
lightly.
dry.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. And that pulls it off.
Yeah. And then and if you use a sponge, it's not going to dig the.
Stay tuned, keep in touch, sharing our channel, because we love you too much.
Yeah. Yeah, it was good, man.
There was somebody's heel print. Now, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead
bringing you live creative workshops exclusively at the Coconut Hut. We are creative people. Don't you know it by now? Bringing you live creative workshops exclusively at the Coconut Hut.
That's for that building.
And then you have to get permission from
WACP, the place to be for we are creative people. First of cars all. And here it is. At the Coconut Hut. All right.
Full purpose.
Well, there you got it. But can you believe it? Host, attend, or watch our next creative workshop coming your way on WACPtv.Bz.